Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we have this sink here, and it's just a little too small. So we got this here granite sink. We're gonna give this thing a little go and see how it looks. And open this up, and I'll show you guys what this sink is, and hopefully we will be able to get it going. So, see if we can open it up all the way. I think I'm gonna put it on the floor and then pick the sink up. Put that there. Stick it here. We'll put it on top of there. And get everything out. Okay, so this is going to be the sink here. It comes in a nice package here. I'll show you guys what it looks. This is an over-counter kind of mount, kind of like this one here has a little bit of that. So I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll show you all the accessories that it comes with. And my goal is to do this all without scratching this counter. Okay, so I'm going to leave it right here for now. So you can see it's got a really nice, strong look. I'll bring it over here so you guys can see it with the light, because I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys otherwise, but you see, nice black looking sink. So it's a good size, and I'll show you guys all the pieces and parts it comes with. So it comes with these mounting screws and stuff. So if you've installed the sink before, it'll kind of go under the deal to hold it in place. I don't know if there's screw holes. I'll look at the instructions here just to be sure I'm telling you correctly. I don't want to tell you wrong. So these are the instructions. It's funny they are a little cut off, but you get the idea here. You know, you pencil around to cut it, cut the hole, which we will still need to do. Ours is wood, it's pretty easy. And then we have the holes that we'll silicone around the opening in all the different places. We'll have some mounting holes and screw it up into it. But I'll show you all the stuff that it comes with here. So these are going to be clips and stuff, so we'll be able to screw it into the under the counter here, and then it'll kind of hold it in place when it's under there. So that's kind of what that's for, to kind of sort of be held on the top, and on the bottom we'll sandwich it in. Get the concept. And then this here comes with a bunch of these little rubber pieces here, these little rubber things. I guess it's a little baggie of extras. So that can go down into the sink. So saves your bottom when you put it in scratchy pans and stuff, which is always a good thing to have. Let's see what we got over here. Some of these boxes here kind of opened up, so pieces fell out, but I'll show you guys some of the things here. Let's see what this is going to be. Probably the drain, I would hope. I don't see a drain. Yes, we have a drain. So this is it here. It's a gold drain. So it comes like this. I'll be hooking it up to a disposal. But you get the idea here. It's got the little cap to hold the water. This one here is a little strainer cap. And then you have that. So I don't think I'll be using any of this probably when I hook it up. But it makes it super easy to connect though. You just unscrew this, other than having a million threads. Then you'll stick it through the hole and then screw it back on the top. So that's basically it to hold it in place. And then putting this on, you put this pipe in through it and you tighten this up and it kind of cinches it on there, hold it in place. So that's how that works. This is going to be a little rolling rack. So if you've used some of the sinks nowadays, you can just go like this and roll it over. And look at that. Now half of your sink is covered. So when you can put stuff on it, you can put vegetables and things like that on top of this side, and it kind of just strains down into the bottom. So, I mean, that's just super awesome to have. And then we have this rack, which Looks like it's got a little screw hole there. What is this one for? That should, oh, haha, this is awesome. Look at this. It opens like this. So it'll fit right across inside like this, and then I can tighten it up and it'll stay, so I can have that. I wouldn't do both of these at the same time because then I would have no way to use my sink. Should I bring it over there again so you guys can see? Sorry, my phone is mounted so you can't see from there. But you see here, so I have the, it's a good thing I didn't mount it yet. But you see, so this rack here and then that rack the way it is, like there. So it kind of holds it inside the sink. So how cool is all of this? So this is kind of how it all does. And this is a nice little piece here. And that's all the different mounting pieces to make it go. And then we just kind of slip it down into the sinkhole once we get the sinkhole cut. Unfortunately, we're not doing that for a little while, so I'm gonna put this kind of back in the box at the moment. But in a couple of months when we remodel this section here, I'll be able to do another video and show you guys it installed. But it seems like it's gonna be super easy to install. Just cutting around here and then dropping it down, hooking up the sink, putting the little clips on the underside, you know, hold it in place, and you're good to go. Super easy to install a sink. A sink is like easy. And my guess is the way the depth of this sink and the depth of the sink, they are the same, so I'm not even gonna have to change any of my pipes underneath. It's just gonna be right there as long as I put it in the center. I'm getting a new faucet too, so everything there will be changed. But it's super cool, I like it. So super nice, super heavy duty, way better than the aluminum one that's all scratched up inside or whatever that was. So thumbs up from me on the sink. Pick up one of these, definitely nice and heavy duty, and this is gonna last you a lifetime. Definitely good.